It's going to happen. Your garage door or automatic gate will need fixing someday. Prepare now, subscribe to join our DIY community, plus it motivates me to make more videos, and it's free. All right, I'm out at this garage door that's had a new Chamberlain Sectional Lift Plus garage door motor installed about 3 months ago, and it stops when it opens, and when it closes, it auto reverses. Now, I've given the door a good service, oiled the springs, the rollers, the bearings, all that kind of stuff that we've done in other videos. So the only thing left to do is recalibrate the motor's force margin setting. So what that does, it basically weighs the door, if you think of it like that. It saves that in the memory. It knows if there's something in the way of the door, and it stops and reverses, or as it's going up, it stops completely, like if it comes up on your tow bar. So this is an easy process. On the back cover here, remove that, put that aside. Now that yellow button there is our remote programming button and also our force margin setting button. So all you need to do is push this twice. Once for remote programming, once again until it flashes, and that's the force margin setting. So just follow the arrows. It now tells you to open the door, so press that. The door will open. As it's opening, the light will keep flashing, which means it's weighing the door, basically. All right, so now the door's open, you have the down arrow flashing. Just give that a press. And then it will do the down close force margin. Basically weighs the force that it needs to close the door in case it comes down on an object. Okay, so now all lights should be out, just your courtesy light on. And that's it, that's how you recalibrate the force margin or reweigh your door. Just make sure the door's in good running condition, your springs are oiled, all your wheels and rollers are oiled down the side there, etc. Check out my other video on sectional door maintenance. And then you can reset the limits and recalibrate the force margin with no issues. As long as your door is in good running condition, that's how you prevent any stalling and auto reversing for no reason on your Chamberlain Sectional Lift Plus garage door motor. This also works with most of the Merlin range as well. Very similar units. This one's the CS105 MyQ. I think the Merlin is an MS105 MYQ. So very similar units. So there you have it. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.